1995 Acura Integra 5-speed. He just got it all painted. It's clean. I love people that revive these cars. Perfect. Bring back the old. Anyway, it's got factory downpipe right there. Factory converter there. And then as you guys can see, we ran a whole new system for him. 2-inch pipe all the way because it's factory. And then he brought us his own Yonaka Motorsports muffler right there. Yonaka. There it is. With a nice tip that's already built in. Stainless steel muffler right there. It's nice and clean all the way through now, as you guys can see. And then that's all that his resonator rotted out earlier. That's where you guys see it broke right there. So that's why we cut all that off. And I told him just run it right through the muffler to amplify the sound and really give the depth and sound of the muffler by itself. So that's what we did. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, it's not crazy loud. Nice clean idle to it. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm glad we took it off. Now you can actually hear the muffler.
I never wanted it to be loud.
Yeah. This is just clean, smooth. Now if you want it quieter, oh, look at him. Whee! Living life to the fullest, man. One more. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. We're at a 93.1. It's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. That's clean, guys. This sound fits this car cleanly. I like that. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee, right down the street from Skyline Hospital. One more. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. He built this car from the ground up. It didn't look like this at all. He rebuilt the motor, everything. I think he likes it. That's perfect. What a clean little car. Beast mode.